Welcome to District 360. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Property on Map feature to easily locate and explore properties in your district. Start by navigating to the Property on Map section from the main dashboard. This feature gives you a visual overview of all properties in your district. Each property appears as a pin on the map. You can zoom in, zoom out, drag to move around, and hover over a pin to view basic details like status, square footage, and lease type. To narrow your view, use the Filter panel. You can filter by property type, for example, commercial, multi-use, parking, or residential. Select your filters and click Search. The map will then update to show only matching properties. Click on any property pin to open the full property record. From there, you can view ownership details, past assessments, service requests, and even initiate updates right from the map. That's it! The Property on Map feature makes navigating and managing district properties faster, easier, and smarter. Start exploring today in District 360. Thank you.